My name is Gayatri Sabale, Division D, Standard FY BSc CS, faculty name Kirti Raskar, and my project name is correlation. What is correlation? The extent of linear relation between a two variable is called as correlation. For example, government depends on tax paid by us. Rate of apartment depends on the area and locality. Type of correlation. First one is a positive correlation. A positive correlation means increase in a value of one variable is associated with the increase in a value of other variable, or in value of one variable is associated with the value of other variable. Correlation between those variable is said to be a positive correlation. For example, mark and IQ of student. Second one is a negative correlation. A negative correlation means increase in a value of one variable associated by decrease in a value of other variable, and vice versa. Here the change in value of two variable are in a positive direction. Correlation between those variable is said to be a negative. For example, the more it rains, the less you can water the garden. And last is a no correlation. No correlation means sometimes change in a one variable is not related to change in other variable. We say that there is no correlation. For example, height of student and his examination score. Different between a positive and negative correlation. Positive correlation, here increase in a value of one variable is associated with the increase in a value of other variable, and vice versa. Negative correlation, here increase in a value of one variable is associated with a decrease in a value of another variable, and vice versa. Positive correlation example, IQ and mark of a student, facilities and price of an apartment. Negative correlation example, if screen time increase, lifespan of a battery decrease. Change occurs in a same direction in a positive correlation, and change occur in a opposite direction in a negative correlation. And in a positive correlation, strong positive correlation and weak positive correlation diagram are given below. And in negative correlation, strong negative correlation and weak negative correlation diagram in given below. Correlation coefficient. What is a correlation coefficient? A correlation coefficient is a static measure that quantifies the strength and direction of a linear relationship between a two variables. It is denoted by small r and its range from -1 to +1. A positive correlation means r is greater than 0. A negative correlation means r is less than 0. And no correlation or zero correlation means r is equals to 0. What is a scatter diagram? A scatter diagram means suppose xi, yi, therefore I is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to nth are bivariate data on two variables x and y. In this pair are plotted on a graph paper, thinking one of the variable on x-axis and other on a y-axis. We get a diagram. It's called as a scattered diagram. And last is a scattered plot. See figure number 1. Perfect positive correlation. What is a perfect positive correlation? For example, as production is increases, sale order also increases. X variable is an production and Y variable is an sale order. When a production is increases, at that time sale order is also increases. Figure number 2. Perfect negative correlation. What is meant by perfect negative correlation? For example, as price is increases, demand decreases. X variable is an price and Y variable is an demand. When a price increases, then a demand is decreases. Last is a no correlation. No correlation is also called as zero correlation. We are know the correlation in the form of straight line is called as linear correlation, and correlation is does not form of a straight line, it's called as no correlation or zero correlation. or no correlation, see in a figure number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Thank you.